In today's video, I'll show you how to set task priority in Asana. When everything on your list feels important, priority labels are what tell you and your team where to focus first, and Asana makes updating them incredibly fast. Let's jump in. First, from the sidebar on the left, I'll open the project with the tasks I want to prioritize. I'm going to click on my test project here to open it up. Here in the list view, you can see the priority column sitting right alongside each task, with those nice color-coded labels. Low is teal, medium is orange, and high is purple, so you can read the whole project's urgency at a glance. Let's say this third task just became urgent and needs to move up. Watch how quick this is. I'm going to click directly on its priority label in the priority column. And the moment I click, a little drop-down opens with all the options, low, medium, and high. You can pick one with the mouse, or do what I like to do and use the arrow keys. I'll press the down arrow to highlight high. And now I'll press enter to confirm it. And done, the label flips to high instantly, and Asana saves it automatically, no save button needed. Anyone else viewing this project sees the change right away, so your whole team instantly knows this task moved to the top of the pile. One more tip before we wrap up. That priority column is a custom field, so if these three levels don't fit how your team works, you can click the drop-down again and choose Edit options to rename them or add your own levels, like Urgent or Someday. So to recap, open your project in List View, click a task's priority label, pick low, medium, or high with your mouse or arrow keys, and press enter. That's all it takes. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.